The big breaking news that we're getting you at 12:30 p.m. Barack Obama's visit to Agra on the 27th of January has been cancelled. Our sources tell us that UP government has been informally informed about it. So far, no official reason has been given for the Agra visit of now being cancelled of the US president's schedule. He was slated to visit the Taj on the 27th of January. Joining me for more on this is Headlines Today's Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu. Kamal, what is the reason, the last-minute cancellation of President Obama's visit to the Taj?
Well, he is the most high-profile man in the world, and his security is obviously can't be taken lightly. We know there were majority of the threats which were really coming in, and that is why there was not just a 3 or a 4-layer security, but a 7-layer security which was put in place. But obviously the location of Taj Mahal being in the heart of city of Agra, and obviously the openness of it, even though that the Taj Express Highway was offered to be closed, there was also a talk about how there would be no mobile towers which would be functioning at that point of time till Barack Obama and his wife Michelle will be visiting that particular place. This is also a matter of prestige for India, but obviously there were inputs coming in for the United States as well, the Secret Service agents who have been here, and obviously there has to be a certain amount of not just threat perception, but also about the security. It's not that the US presidents have not visited earlier, but this has been seen as a very high-profile visit on the 26th of January, which is the Republic Day, so it's a matter of national prestige. It's also about the concern of US secret agents. As a matter of fact, we do have with us a few people who've come from United States. We'll try and get in a reaction. Barack Obama coming in from United States, a lot of expectation of people who reside there, about Indians who do reside there, but he will not be able to visit Taj, which is obviously symbolic of love. Are you a bit disappointed?
Yes, of course. Everybody from America wants to go visit Taj, and if there is not proper security or if they have any fears, yes, we are disappointed that he won't be able to witness that.
It's also a matter of prestige for India that on National Day, on a Republic Day, it's Barack Obama who's coming here. But obviously, he's going to be part of that function. As an Indian, how much of a pride do you really have about him attending that parade?
Yeah, it's a matter of proud for all of us, all the Indians, that Mr. Barack Obama is visiting us, and that on special occasion of 26th of January, the Republic Day of India. So that's a really matter of proud, and everybody, all the Indians in America are excited about it.
The oldest democracy and obviously the largest democracy come together. This is obviously a pride for nation. But yes, there would be a large-scale disappointment, at least for Uttar Pradesh itself, even as this is considered the wonder of the world. It's been rated at #1 as far as tourists around the world are concerned. But yes, Barack Obama and his wife Michelle won't be able to see it. They would be disappointed, and obviously it would be told through formal sources as to why it's been cancelled. But yes, the threat perception was at its highest. There was obviously a lot of information coming in, not just from our own intelligence agencies, but also foreign agencies about the threat perception, and obviously keeping in mind the position and the placement of Taj and how it is. And if there could be a certain amount of threat, there would not be a slightest risk which is being taken by the US security agents on their own president. And obviously, even with there have been a 7-layer cordon, and with the massive deployment by the Indian forces, there seems to be a problem there, and that is why there has been a cancellation.
Also joining me on the phone line is editor Gaurav Sawant. Gaurav, what are your sources telling you? Was there a security concern over this? As Kamal was saying, that there might be a threat perception that Barack Obama cancelled his visit to the Taj in the last minute.
We are still waiting to hear officially from either the Ministry of Defense or the Ministry of External Affairs on the cancellation of this visit. But the protocol division, we are told, has informed the UP government that Barack Obama will no longer be visiting Taj Mahal. The reasons have still not been specified by the government on the cancellation of the visit. But security is being seen as one of the reasons from what we are being informed, what we are being told. Especially, they were very keen to take the beast all the way up to the Taj, and not that 500-meter restriction on automobiles going up to Taj. That restriction, could that have been lifted? Is it security? Is there something else? We are still waiting to hear officially from the Ministry of Defense.
Also joining me on the phone line is Amir Haq from Lucknow. Amir, it's a big disappointment for the UP government. Has the government now been informed about this?
Well, definitely a disappointment, not just for the UP government here, but also people who are looking forward for US President Obama and Michelle to come to Taj, because Taj is being obviously it's the greatest monument of love, and for the US President to be there would have actually served as a huge encouragement for tourism as well out here. Well, no formal communication has been made as yet to the UP government about why President Obama's visit to Agra is being cancelled. But yes, sources within the government have told us that they have been informally informed of the cancellation of US President's visit. And a formal communication will follow once President Obama lands in Germany, which is expected to happen very soon, perhaps in the next 1 hour or so. And then through MHA, the UP government will also be informed of the cancellation.
Deputy Editor Atil Khan also joins me on the phone line. Atil, now with the cancellation now coming in, will it now be a 2-day visit, or on the 3rd day, that was on the 27th of January, Barack Obama was also scheduled to address select audience at Sri Fort, and after that he had to leave for the Taj?
Well, as of now, what we have learned is that elaborate security arrangements were already in place for his Taj visit, and QRTs had been deployed. But there was a meeting which was held yesterday between the Secret Service and the intelligence and police officers, in which there was some concern regarding his long exposure from the Agra airstrip to Taj Mahal, which is almost a distance of 10 kilometers. So that was a bit of an issue. Other than that, securing the entire highways, at least 2 highways were to be manned by, and a massive deployment had to be made. So there were some concerns there as well. So these are the reasons which the security, protocol officers in consultation with the security officers were deliberating, and a decision has been taken now that President Obama is not going to visit there. Of course, the Delhi program remains as of now intact. There is no change in the Delhi program. Only the Agra trip has been called off. That's what we are learning from our sources.
Gaurav, coming to you, there was unprecedented security arrangements that were put in place in Delhi as well as in Agra. It was converted into a virtual fortress. Do you think that the US security agencies were unhappy with the security arrangements that were made by the government?
It wasn't a question of being unhappy with the security arrangements. It's an issue that relates to the threat perception. And as Atil was pointing out, the threat perception has been exceptionally high during US President Barack Obama's visit, and that is why preparations were made as far as the government is concerned, the Indian government is concerned. They are saying all systems are in place and they are in a position to provide foolproof security to the US President Barack Obama. However, security is one aspect where it's the Secret Service that takes the final call. And once again, as sources say, that final call is yet to be officially informed. This is what is being talked of just as yet. A final word on this is expected in the next couple of hours, Amita.
Kamal, what are the people telling you on the ground? Are they disappointed? Were they looking forward for Barack Obama visiting the Taj with his wife, Michelle Obama?
Well, definitely. So, security apprehension that Gaurav Sawant really mentioned was one of the key reasons which could have really affected his entire tour to Agra, really. But this was also a matter of showcasing our own symbol of love, which is Taj Mahal. This was obviously put in place with after protocol meeting done by both MEA people as well as United States people. But there's also Secret Service agents who have been coming in with information. India has been receiving information from different intelligence agencies. Yes, definitely there would be a disappointment on ground, even though there was a lot of inconvenience to people. But this has been a protocol that when a visiting dignitary does come in, and obviously in a position of the United States President Barack Obama, this was obviously one of those things that India could showcase. This is a symbol of love. This is obviously one of the 7 wonders of the world. Could have been showcased together with both Obama and Michelle coming in without their children. But yes, there are security apprehensions. There would be a lot of disappointments. Uttar Pradesh, which is obviously also tackling a lot of crime, a lot of terror, would want to showcase this as one of its own metal in terms of how they showcase this entire tour to Taj Mahal. But this is obviously not happening. A lot of people would be disappointed even in terms of security. India was trying to provide foolproof security, but as I mentioned, there have been continuous reports about threat perceptions, and this is not just related to one town per se. It's all India threat. Delhi has been put on the highest alert ever with a 7-layer security which has been put in place. Jammu and Kashmir has been on a high alert. We know that during Clinton's visit there was Chatti Singh Pura incident which had taken place where minorities were attacked. So there has been a huge security concern. United States has also given a warning signal to Pakistan that if there is any sort of attack on Indian soil and which is traced up to Pakistan, it would not really be good in the terms of friendship between India and Pakistan, and also United States and Pakistan. Obviously, this is also about turning a new leaf in terms of friendship, calling global friends both India and United States. This is a chapter that India would have wanted to take forward with this showcasing of this entire tour to Agra, but this is obviously not taking place. A lot of people would be very disappointed.